Wait, your phone takes hours to charge? You plug it in, watch one full movie, and it's still at 60%? Bro, that's not charging. That's slow torture. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow charging in just a few simple steps and make your phone charge 3 times faster. Let's go! First of all, check your charging cable and adapter. Believe it or not, most slow charging issues start here. If your cable is old, twisted, or has loose pins, it's done. Try another original or high-quality fast charging cable, and make sure your adapter supports quick charge or 18-watt plus output. Remember, a weak adapter equals slow power flow. Secondly, clean the charging port. Yep, that tiny hole under your phone. It's basically a dust collector. Grab a small brush, toothpick, or soft cloth. Gently clean out any dirt or lint. Even a little dust can block proper contact and reduce charging speed by half. Third one, turn off battery draining features. While charging, turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, or heavy apps like YouTube or games. Better yet, switch on airplane mode or do a restart before charging. This allows the phone to charge directly instead of fighting background apps. You'll literally see the percentage jump faster. Fourth one, avoid heat. Phones hate heat more than we hate slow internet. Don't charge your phone under a pillow or while gaming. Heat slows down charging and damages the battery over time. Keep it in a cool place and avoid using thick covers during charging. Bonus tip: if you're still facing slow charging, go to Settings, Battery usage. Find which app is eating the most power, uninstall or restrict it. This can easily save you 30 to 40% more battery life. So yeah, that's how you fix slow charging and make your phone charge like a rocket. Try these tips today, and you'll be shocked at the difference. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with your friends who are still charging since morning, and don't forget to subscribe to RK Tech for more awesome mobile fixes and smart tech tips.